Hello, divine beings. Coming to you for day 129 of my journey to share the words of wisdom, divine messages, to share whatever is alive every day. Hey, Eric. So today I had a beautiful day with my family. Took the kids on a walk in nature and really reflecting on spending time with our loved ones and taking the kids to nature. Offer that to the kids. That is like the best gift we can do, is to take our kids to the nature. That's where all the magic happens. And even though we get hot and tired and still those moments with Mother Earth are so precious, because truly she just is. The earth just is. She is just present, that no matter what, she's just gonna continue being underneath it all, going with the flow, continuing planting her seeds and growing them and having all sorts of plant life. So it's just beautiful to observe and be together in nature, and to go deeper and to go within and to be in the flow with the earth, with the rhythms, what she's doing, what she's feeling, and really feeling into that, and how we can help her heal and we can help her clear. And by really clearing our own energy and healing our own pain, we are healing the earth and we are supporting humanity. We are remembering that ancient wisdom of the earth, and remembering our own ancient soul inside that we've known ever since we were children, that magic that we can never forget. And now we get to live that magic and remember it, and we get to also share and teach that magic with each other, and we get to live that magic and live what we teach, and also teaching what we live. Truly, it's all about that alignment to the divine guidance within, and to be in between the worlds, to be a little bit out of this world, yet being rooted deeply here, because we are becoming the sacred bridge between heaven and earth. So many of us are here to build the new sacred place. It's almost like we don't need to rebuild the old, we just need to build new. It's now time to build everything new from scratch, and realize and recognize and accept that the new earth, it's already here, it's already within us. And finding balance and peace and healing within us is what we get to offer to the earth. And by healing that within us and doing that inner work is how we heal the earth. Like, I can even feel it in my throat just speaking it. Continuing being our authentic selves in the most genuine ways, to be the devotion to the earth, to sit with her, to gather together with brothers and sisters, and to feel her and her medicine, her plant medicine, her animal medicine, and take it all in. Take it and use it and heal yourselves and heal your trauma and heal your pain and your wounds. Remember that you are already whole, and no, it's not easy. It's incredibly hard, and it might take years. But also it could be instantaneous, miraculous, overnight healing that happens so much. Recently happened in my own life. During the Costa Rica trip, I truly received the message to needing to do something. I'm not going to go into detail because it's personal. It is something that I have lived with for most of my life, and something that I was told to do about it, and I did it. And it was a miraculous, instantaneous healing of that part of my life. A complete mindset and a quantum shift. So it's possible. It's possible. So wherever you are is exactly where you must be, and know that as you're healing yourself and as you process your own shit, you're doing this for all of humanity and for the earth and for the planet Earth, because she's here and she really needs us. She needs us to remember her pain and to transmute it. That's why we're here. That's why we're here, to have that remembrance of the earth, remembrance of her true, organic, original essence. The way we all remember her to be in our bones, underneath it all, underneath all of that conditioning. We get to collapse all the calcification over our souls, our DNA, our memories, our glands, all of it. We get to remember who she is and to offer her our life, offer her all that we are, offer her our prayers, our knees, our hands, our feet, and really give her our life as she has given us. That precious gift is to live this life and to remember her. Hello, my beautiful Shakti Mayumi. Sister, I've been feeling you and thinking about you a lot. You know, ever since our beautiful connection, you know, it's just been miraculous healing for my voice as well. And I always hold so much gratitude for you and your beautiful activations. I love you so much. So yes, just feeling the earth taking your children, your family, your loved ones to nature. That is my advice. Nothing else. If there's nothing else we can do, just go stand bare feet on the earth and give to her. Give to her your devotion. So that is my message today. So much love to you. Thank you guys for being here. I will be back tomorrow. Many blessings. Blessed be. I love you. Thanks, guys. Good night, wherever you are. Mwah. Thank you, sister. Thank you, Eric.